To the right is a photo of my great-grandfather, First Lieutenant Donald Quay Hopkins, during the Second World War. The photo depicts him during his tour with the 314th Bombardment Wing, 20th Air Force, based in Guam. On July 20th, 1945, he was reported missing. Later, they found that he was shot down while flying over Japan.
There's some firemen that stressful situations don't affect them at all, and they're the same person day in and day out. And then you have some individuals that it does start to weigh on them, and you notice things, differences in their behavior. For all the stressful situations that do occur, there are so many positives that come from that job, rewarding, fulfilling experiences.